That there can be the development of a body-mind, of a body and a mind, the way we think, the way we feel, the way we move, the way we act, the way we relate. That goes on developing forever. There's no end to the permeation of the whole structure of the body-mind with this understanding. So yes, there is a development, an endless development of the way we think, feel, act, relate, etc. But it's not the development of a person. At least the conventional premise in psychotherapy is that you come in as a separate self, and this separate self improves through various practices. So it's not the person, it's not that separate self that is improving. But that doesn't mean that there's no continued growth of the whole structure of the body-mind. Of course there is. It's an endless process of realigning the way we think, the way we feel, the way we act, the way we relate, the way we move, the way we do everything. Realigning it. Once all these activities are no longer being undertaken on behalf of a separate, limited, fearful, lacking sense of self, but all these activities are now gradually being realigned and are being undertaken on behalf of, or as an expression of, the peace and the love and the understanding that is inherent in what we are. So that realignment of the mind and the body goes on forever. For instance, let me give you an example. I did a meeting here, the meeting I did a few days ago, and I gave a sort of introduction, and then we opened it up for questions, and then I got the red card flashed at me. You've got 2 more minutes, and there were 4 hands going up in the room. So I was answering questions quicker and quicker, and then right at the last minute, someone said something like, asked me a question about mantra meditation. And I knew I was already well over time, and I made some dismissive comment about it. I actually practiced mantra meditation for 25 years, and so I have a lot of experience of it, and it was an absolutely essential part of my spiritual journey. That doesn't mean to say that I would recommend it for everyone, but I would never suggest anyone stop doing it if they wanted to do it. However, I had 20 seconds to answer, and I didn't want to go there because I could tell the question was a little bit, it wasn't really in line with the drift of where we were going. It was, and I had 10 or 20 seconds, so I just said, oh no, that's like this. And then the meeting came to an end. And then afterwards I thought, that was a little dismissive. If I had had 10 minutes, I would have qualified what I had said. I would have, so that she didn't feel, and I thought afterwards, anyone in the room who practices mantra meditation must have thought, oh, wow, okay, he's just totally dismissed my practice. And I realized that was insensitive. So I thought, okay, if you're in a position of someone speaking about these things, you have to be careful the way you do that. I think, okay, next time, if I had to do that again, I wouldn't answer like that. I would have answered in a way, I would have said what I feel about meditation, but I would have kept her on board. I wouldn't have. So that's a tiny example. That can happen any time in life. Something happens and you think, oh, what was expressed, what came out, didn't really express my understanding. So that was an old habit of the mind, a little bit too quick, a little bit sharp. And so that's just a tiny example of something that as time goes on, that tendency of the mind can be just brought in line with what you really feel. And you know, there are obviously innumerable examples in personal relationships, in activities, and where it takes time for the whole structure of our minds and bodies to be realigned with this understanding. And you can never say that process comes to an end. When could anyone say my body-mind is now a perfect instrument or expression of the light of pure knowing? I don't think one could ever say that, because who knows what's round the corner when some old habit is going to be triggered by someone or something.